everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing another haul. So this is like, as per the title, you know, this is like a Zara H&M haul. Also it's like a birthday haul, and there was another thing that I want to show you. Also my free gift from Sephora. I have to show you some of the stuff from different places, and I think I should begin. But before this, I just want to give a quick information. Is that obviously you've seen the birthday vlog on 9th October. That's way back, but the haul you're seeing it right now. Why? Because I had many videos lined up, so obviously they had to fit in first, and then this would come, because birthday vlog was important. So अगर birthday नहीं देखा तो जाके देखो. So I think I should begin with the interesting चीज last में रखते हैं. I should begin with Zara. Yeah, H&M. ठीक है, H&M से क्या लिया? Let's begin with that. अच्छा, the prices I'm going to put it down here. Okay, so the first thing that I've got, जो कि मैंने उल्टा hang करा हुआ है, but you guys would understand it. This is like a yellow crop top, but not like major crop top, but a crop top. You can wear this with high-waisted jeans. It'll look fab, and also it is an off-shoulder. The way I've hanged, it'll look great like this also. And then if you want, you can go like really deep also, as per choice. So this is a yellow crop top, H&M. तो अभी H&M ही दिखा रही हूँ मैं सारा, ठीक है? And this would look fabulous in summers, but अब winters शुरू हो चुकी हैं तो summers में पहनूंगी मैं. So the next thing that I've got is like a plain white knitwear, but this is like a very thin knitwear, not like a very thick one. And this is like a basic thing that you should have in your closet. You can mix and match with this. So this is this full sleeves, perfect, very comfortable. H&M again. So the next thing that I've got is a top again. This is a crop top. This is sea green color. This is full sleeves, but a crop top. Again, very comfortable, very beautiful, with a high-waisted jeans. And you can also wear it with the low-waisted jeans. Completely depends on your taste. But this is the next buy. The next thing that I've got is a knitwear. So this has 4 colors. Like it starts with a light mud brown, like a beige color. Then it is ivory, blush pink, and navy blue. So this is how it is. It is beautiful, very comfortable. I am wearing this at home. I don't know why, because it is fabulous. And also at home मतलब सोने के टाइम नहीं. At home मतलब थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर कोई घर में आ रहा है वैसे वाला. And this you must have seen me wearing in my birthday vlog का रात को जब हमने celebration किया था 12 बजे वाला जो केक काटा था, उसमें you would see me wearing this. फिर से मैंने उल्टा hang करा हुआ है. So this is the next buy. This is like, सीधा करके दिखाओ ना. It's a task. I think very difficult with the baby because we have no help. यहाँ पे मेड्स का भी सीन नहीं है ना, सारा घर का भी काम करो और whatever. रोना धोना बंद करती हूँ मैं अपना. So this is the next buy. This is a beautiful mango yellow color. This is a very thick knitwear, and मतलब ये तुम्हें काफी अच्छी ठंड से भी बचा लेगा. The best part about this knitwear are 2 things. First is the high neck. It gives a very beautiful fit, and the second thing that I really love are the, I don't know if it's a balloon sleeves or what, but yeah, it is kind of a balloon sleeve because it goes really tight from here, from the wrist, and then here it gives a very beautiful shape. So this is the one, sweeties. Very beautiful. I love it, and this you would see me wearing on my birthday daytime. Then comes the next knitwear. This is silver, and this is something which will maro very much lashkare. Called a lashkare marne wala top. And it has all the sparkles, but it might look that it will feel very itchy, but it is not the case. You really don't have to wear anything under it. Depends obviously on the weather. If you want to, obviously you can, but if you want, you can wear just this and it will not be itchy. It won't irritate you. So it is this. So this I'm wearing for my dinner, the birthday dinner. Yeah. Okay, so the last thing from H&M, मैंने ऐसे टांग रखे हैं यहाँ पे. So the last thing from H&M is this beautiful sweatshirt that I have. This is the Disney Daisy, and okay, this is Minnie and Daisy. Looks super cute. It looks fabulous with a blue jeans and shoes. I love it. Beautiful. Okay, so the next thing that I've got are the white shoes. fabulous. I wanted one, the basic ones, and I got one. So this is the last buy basically, the shoes from H&M. Okay, let's move on to Zara now. Let me bring the stuff of Zara. So I've got 3 pair of jeans from Zara. So the first one is in light blue color. This is like a fitted one. And why did I got these jeans? Because of the maternity weight that I had. So this one has got little loose. जब अब मैं शूट कर रही हूँ, जब ये खरीदी थी फिटेड थी, अब थोड़ी लूज हो गई है. तो ये है light wash denim jeans. नीचे से it is all rough like that, but it is fitted and it comes on to the ankle. So this is the one. Like a basic blue jeans. Basic blue jeans. इधर अलमारी खुली हुई है, उसमें डाल देती हूँ, साथ में काम भी खत्म. So the next is this light green, sea green in the lighter shade jeans. So this is like a flare jeans, and the fit is very beautiful. It gives a very classic look. It is beauty. The fit was amazing. Okay, so the next one is in dhone mein. मैं बता देती हूँ, आप photo obviously you'll see. It is a blue jeans, but I can mix and match that with n number of things because it is a blue jeans. Again, flare jeans and high-waisted with beautiful buttons. The green one that you saw, it is with a zip, right? And single button. But the blue one, it has 4 or 5 buttons. So I love it. Beauty. Okay, so the next thing that I've got is this brown dress. This is like a long dress. So this is like a long dress. It looks super sexy. I love the neckline. It is square. I just feel the square neckline looks really hot, and it has, I won't say cap sleeves, but a little more than that. So this is a dress that I've got. I still have to wear this. Haven't got the time or the occasion. Next thing that I've got, it is beautiful. It obviously helps you, like the white one that I showed you from H&M. So this is somewhat like that, and this somewhat protects you from winters, but not like major winters. November or December first week India ki thand, वैसा वाला it can protect you. And then I've got this beautiful old school type vibe, light blue top. It looks like a sweater, like a knitwear, but it is not of like a really thick quality. I love the collar and I love the button detailing, and I love the sleeves, the shape of the sleeves. It's beautiful. It gives that old school vibe. This is a top. मैं एक बार जरा अपनी लिस्ट देख लूँ, मैं लिस्ट में लिख लेती हूँ जब जो लेती हूँ हॉल के लिए. So H&M is done, Zara is done. Now it's time to show you the birthday stuff. पर birthday stuff से पहले मैं दिखा देती हूँ जो मुझे Sephora से free में मिला है. Sephora में ऐसे 3 options थे that you can choose whichever you want. और बेसिकली सिंपल फंडा क्या, इंडिया में ये चीज नहीं है, मैंने तो नहीं देखी. अगर है तो कमेंट डाउन बिलो एंड टेल मी. बेसिकली इट्स योर बर्थडे, उस मंथ में कोई भी डे को जाकर just give them your email ID that is registered with the Sephora application. So that's one thing. And if it is not registered, make sure you do register yourself. Free hai, register yourself. Also, whenever you buy anything from Sephora, you will get points, no? So that's again a good point. So out of the 3 things that I had, let me just quickly put a picture. So these are the 3 things that I had for the options, and the one that I chose was the Bum cream. So I just felt that this was really cute, and I thought that I would have more use of this than the other 2 products. Let me show you. So this is the packaging. So it has 2 miniature tubs, the mustard and the blue one. Let me show you.
So this is this.
And if I open this up and show you, this is a Coco Cabana cream, and this is like a moisturizer cream which hugs your body with deep hydration for skin that feels soft and bouncy. So this is that one, and this is the yellow one, same packaging but different color and different use of it. And from inside also it looks same, but let me read what is the purpose of it. So this is like a Brazilian bum cream. So it is like a body cream, and it actually tightens the skin. So I don't know if it works or not, and I don't know how exactly it is because I haven't used it till now. Yeah. So this is this. Also I had some points, so I have got little miniature perfume from Versace, but for Tanvi. Let me show you that also. So this is the free reward point gift that I've got. So this is the bottle. So these are the two things that I've got from Sephora. One was a free birthday gift and the second one was my points redeem gift. Yeah. तो हम गए थे रिप्लस एक्वेरियम में घूमने सुबह और वहां से मैंने 2 चीजें ली हैं, 2 अडोरेबल्स और लाइफ I need one assistance. So this is a magnet that I have got. It is beautiful. It has all the type of fishes. I love it. And then I've got this keychain. Can you see? Yes, you can see. Okay, let's move on to the final birthday gifts. Birthday gifts मैं ऐसे दिखाऊंगी जैसे जैसे मुझे मिले थे पूरे दिन में. तो मुझे रात को 12 बजे के सेलिब्रेशन में मुझे मिली थी ये डेनिम जैकेट. कहाँ से? Zara से. इसका भी मैं प्राइस वाइज लिख दूंगी सब चीजों का. तो ये डेनिम जैकेट थी. इट हैज 2 स्क्वायर पॉकेट्स इन द फ्रंट एंड बैक से इट इज ऑल प्लेन एंड द स्लीव्स आर लाइक दिस. ये है डेनिम जैकेट जो मुझे रात को मिला था गिफ्ट. और दूसरी चीज जो मिली थी मेरे छोटे से बेबी ने मेरे को दी थी वो थी टार्ट की लिपस्टिक. लेट मी शो यू. So this is how it is. Let's just open this up. So this is the shade. And if you want to know the shade, it is Cha-Cha. Okay, अब सुबह की बारी आती है. सुबह मुझे ब्रेकफास्ट टेबल पे जो गिफ्ट मिले मैं वो दिखाने लगी हूँ अब. तो जो मुझे पहली चीज ब्रेकफास्ट पे मिली थी वो है हुडा ब्यूटी का ड्यू लाइनर. सो दिस इज लाइक eyeliner as well as the kajal, like the eye pencil, and this I've used. Very easy to use. So before this I was using Kiko Milano's. The kajal is good and it stays good and it is easy to apply. With me there is this problem of watery eyes, but this was really good. And eyeliner bhi bahut acha tha and lagana was very easy. So this is how it opens for the eye pencil, the kajal, and for the eyeliner. दूसरी चीज है वो है HOLA का बेनिफिट ब्रॉन्जर. सो दिस इज द मिनिएचर साइज. इट्स अडोरेबल. एंड सेकेंड, इफ यू ओपन दिस there is this really cute wooden brush. I'll show you the product first. It also has a little mirror. And let me show you the brush now. The brush is way too cute. And the color, I love the color. So this is the color. And the material is wooden. I don't know if it's really wood or not, but at least it seems to be. मैंने ना बर्थडे के प्राइजेस नहीं लिखे हैं, वो मैं लिख दूंगी. तुम तो देख ही रहे होगे. मैंने अभी जब शूट कर रही हूँ तो मुझे नहीं पता. So guys, I forgot to include another gift that I got while having breakfast was this Paprika body oil. So this is a Vision. So there are different types, whichever suits your skin tone, you can go for that. But this is amazing. I would 100% recommend. Let me open it up and show you. This is how the bottle looks. It is beautiful. The texture is so smooth and it has glitter obviously. This is like a body oil, but I use it on my face also for that sparkle or for that little bit of shimmer, and it gives a very beautiful fragrance. Guys, this is the shimmer that I've got. It is amazing. Definitely you can go for this one. अब हम आ जाते हैं. फिर मुझे पूरा दिन गिफ्ट नहीं मिले. फिर मैं रात को जब घर आई तो मुझे क्या क्या मिला. Let me show you that. Okay, so the first thing that I've got is a perfume from Jimmy Choo. I love the fragrance. I think Jimmy Choo just have this. I don't know. The fragrance is so good. I love it. Nasha. Okay, so the second thing, this is also essential. I wanted it. This is NARS blush, and the one that I have is Orgasm. Let me show you. So this is how it is. I love the packaging. It is matte black. Gira. So this is this. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. I've applied. So the next thing that I've got, वही रात को ही वापस आके घर में, is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Oh, उल्टा था. Okay. So this is how it is. It has very beautiful colors. Yeah. लास्ट चीज जो बर्थडे पे मिली वो दिखा देती हूँ. So guys, this is the last product for the birthday. ये वैसे दिखाना मुश्किल था इसलिए मैं ऐसे दिखा रही हूँ. So this is a Ted Baker bag that I've got. And wait for the fun part. This looks so beautiful and this is so heavy. So this is like a beautiful ivory color. Not just ivory color, but a beautiful ivory color. And this comes along with the golden rings. This is the front side, and also there is this sling here which is attached to it, so I can hold it like this or with the sling. And then there is this one zip here, you can see. And then I love the detailing of gold and white. Inside also everything is gold, like the zip and everything. And there is this pocket here, but obviously I don't think I can put anything here. But yeah, I can. There is space, so I can put something here also, and it is beauty. I love it. Okay, so I've got 2 sunglasses. So this is from the brand Bellario. This is like an online US brand, and if you guys want, because I had a word with them, I really like the product and everything. So if you guys want, you can get a discount code. I'll put it on here. I think it's Baanipreet 25 or whatever. I have to see. I'll put it on the screen. You can apply this code and get 25% discount. But the quality is way too good, like way too good. Okay, comes with the case like this, and this is the one. There are 2, so this is the first one. It's beautiful. Let me just wear it. It looks beauty. Second one. So guys, this is the second one. Cat eye, jet black. So this is this. Okay, so apply the discount if you want. And the products are good, the quality is good. In fact, they even have watches and sunglasses for men and women both, not just women, and it is amazing and great for the gifting purpose also. Okay, so guys, that's it for the video. So guys, that's it for the video. If you guys have enjoyed this video, you know what to do yaar. Har video mein main bolti hu. दूसरा, if there is any specific product that you liked, please comment down below and tell me कि ये हमें सबसे अच्छा लगा. तो वो क्या है? वो मेरे शॉपिंग में से भी हो सकता है, Zara, H&M या शेड्स में से, या फिर वो गिफ्ट वाला, बर्थडे गिफ्ट वाले में से भी हो सकता है. But let me know which one was your favorite. Okay. I will see you next Friday. Okay, bye.